And we are just a couple minutes from the opening bell here. We were excited a moment ago to learn that U-Haul is going to be ringing the opening bell here.
Love U-Haul.
U-Haul Holding Company. Apparently, it just renamed itself and now is trading on the New York Stock Exchange. It was, I believe, called Amerco. That was the parent company. And I was just reading up a little bit on the history of the company. It was created by Sam and Anna Mary Schoen back in 1945.
With a 1937 Ford. Let's hit another ticker there, Ford.
Yeah, exactly. So it's pretty cool that now they are becoming a public company.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I didn't realize the history of this company. They realized there was a need for people to pick up trailers in one place, drop them off in another. They painted off the jump, they painted the trailers orange, put U-Haul on the side.
They've all got different art and designs on them too.
Makes you wish you were alive in 1945. We could have come up with that, Julie.
Does it?
Yeah.
I'm sure I could come up with the idea today. Well, once you, but I'm happy doing what I'm doing. So anyway, there's the opening bell for U-Haul on the New York Stock Exchange. And in terms of what we are watching here this morning in markets, we continue to watch what's going on with earnings. We continue to watch tech stocks in particular because they have seen such a bounce this year. And after the big gains on Friday, we had initially, or yesterday I should say, we saw the NASDAQ continue that rally, but it has come to an end as of today, at least for the moment.
Well, they have no more layoff news, Julie, these tech companies. So, I mean, the stocks are not going to go up.
Right. That's the thing that's been juicing the companies, in some cases at least, although it's not helping 3M today. It's layoff news, non-tech news. Brad, what's going on over there at the Interactive? What are you seeing?
Yeah, well, I'm seeing some red here out of the gate this morning. Dow Jones Industrial Average, that's down by about 0.5% to start the day. You got the NASDAQ Composite also down by about 0.5%, and the S&P 500, same on a percentage basis there. Let's take a look at some of the sector activity that we're tracking out of the gate this morning. 11 S&P 500 sectors. You know what it is, folks. It's, oh, wow. Okay, we got some interesting movement here. XLP, you got your consumer staples up by about 0.5%, leading the charge here. But you know what it is. Time to check on the caboose of the train here. Real estate, that's down by 1.9%. Yes, actually, you can trail a lot of things with those U-Haul trucks as well. Being trailed today, XLRE. Also, taking a look at the NASDAQ 100. A lot of red here on the screen here. We'll give you a good picture of who's leading, who's lagging right now. And right now, it's Peloton. Peloton's down by about 5.3% this morning. But look no further for some of those leaders. Right now, you've got PCAR. That's the ticker symbol, and we'll get into that one a little later. Dollar Tree also leading the charge. That's up by about 1.7%. But some of the leaders today, few, far between. So we'll continue to keep a close eye on that. But bringing up the rear, you got Lucid, AMD, Lululemon, which we'll talk about later, and Peloton. Yeah,
it looks like Peloton caught a downgrade from Baird here this morning that is responsible perhaps for the declines that it's seeing. The analyst there said that the numbers are going to be weaker than estimated because of accelerating demand for in-person gym memberships and softer indications of consumer demand for at-home fitness.
I'm down to 2 rides a week on my bike, to that point.
But are you going to get rid of it?
No. Not at all.
And they're going to stop telling us those figures, too. The average connected fitness workouts, that's going to be a figure that we don't get in earnings going forward.
Oh,
Peloton pedaling lower, Julie.